Welcome to my class, my dear students. I'm Asma Rusna, an assistant teacher, Polish Lines School and College, Rangpur. Students, today we will discuss about our sim part. You know, in your questions, there will be 13 number of questions, and the first 4 number question, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, will be given from your textbook. And today you will be able to identify true, false, similar meaning of word, writing questions answer, and also writing short composition. After discussing this question. So students, first you have been given a scene text from your textbook, and you have to answer the questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have already taken the class in this text, that is the Olympic Games. You know it very well, but I am reading out this text again. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. You know host city Ayojok Shahar. More than 200 nations. Students, this is the most important line, and this line has more information. Okay, more than 200 nations sent a total of 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games was held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896, and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. So students, in your question paper, you will find the first question. Okay, and this first question you have to identify true or false. You have been given 6 statements, and you have to write the answer whether the statement is true or false. So student, let's start. Olympic Games occurs every year. No, it's false. So you have to write number A and then false. Only you have to write false. Before writing the answer, you must write the question number. You will write in this way answer to the question number 1, and you must use color pen. I have written the question in color pen, so you have to also write the questions answer in color pen, not the full answer, only the question number. That is, you will write in this way answer to the question number 1. Then one by one you will write, and you will use black pen. Only the title of the answer you will write in blue pen. So first one is false, you will write false. 300 sports are played in the Olympic Games. Not 300. It's 30 different sports. So it is false. You will write B and then false. The first Olympic Games was held in Greece. Is true. You will write true. Only true. Each time the Olympic Games are held in the same city. No, it is arranged in different host city. So it is false. Almost 1,300 athletes compete in an Olympic Games. Not 1,300. Look at the text. It is 13,000. So it is false. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. It is true. So students, you have to write the answer of question 1 in this way. So let's go to next. Number 2, you have given 2 column A, column B, and you have been given 6 words but 7 meaning. You have been given 6 words. Look at the 5 words. Look at the question number 2, 5 words, and you will be given 7 meaning. You have to match the words with their meaning, and 2 extra meaning is given here. So you should be more careful answering the question. Again you will write answer to the question number 2, and first you will write a and which meaning is equal to this word almost pry. So which number? 5. You will write a plus 5 and then you will write almost a small space and very nearly you will write. So biggest সবচেয়ে বড়, number 6 largest in size. So you will write b plus 6. The meaning is given here in Roman number, so you should write in Roman number. b plus 6 largest in size. Then completely, see, so completely means পরিপূর্ণভাবে সম্পূর্ণভাবে, so fully number 1. So c plus 1. Different, ভিন্ন ভিন্ন, so d plus which number you find out? Number 2. Not same. Host means আয়োজক, which number you find out? E plus a person who invites, so number 3. A plus 3 and then you will write the words host space a person who invites. So students, you have to write in this way. Number 3 question. Students, in number 3 you have been given 6 questions. Okay, and you have to write these 6 questions answer according to the text. If you face any difficulty, then you will read the text again and again, and you will find out the answer of these questions in your text. And one main matter is that you have to write the answer according to the tense in which the question is made. So first one, look, which is the biggest sports competition in the world? So you must write Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. Okay, it is, the question is made in present indefinite tense and you have to write the answer in present indefinite tense. Why is the Olympic Games called the biggest sports of the world? Why? Look, you will write the Olympic Games is called the biggest sports of the world because more than 200 nations sent a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. Full stop. The answer is complete. Where does the Olympic Games come from? The Olympic Games does. Here question is made with does. So you have to add s or es with the main verb. So the Olympic Games comes from Greece. Okay. Who compete there? Compete means প্রতিযোগিতা করা, প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিতা করা. Who compete there? About 13,000 athletes compete there. How many events are there in the Olympics? Look, more than 30 different events are there in Olympics. You have to write more than. So 30টারও বেশি ইভেন্ট, এখানে 30টারও বেশি, more than চেয়ে বেশি. You have to write this word, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So more than 30 different events are there in Olympics. How many athletes compete in the Olympic Games? More than 13,000 athletes or athletes compete in the Olympic Games. You have to write in this way. Okay students, then you will get the full mark, but you have to concentrate on the point that in which tense the question is made. You have to answer in this tense. Okay, and you will take help from your text or from your lesson that will be written on your question. So student, 1, 2, 3 we have already finished. Now question number 4. You have to write a composition, okay, according to the text. You cannot fully write the text here. You have to answer again 5 questions in your composition. Your composition have to the information about these questions, and you will not write in this way number 1 answer, number 2 answer. Of course not. First before writing the composition, you have to write the name of the composition at the top of your composition. So your composition name is your favorite game. So you have to write in this way. As it is written in the question. It is written in the question in capital letters. So you have to write the name in capital letters. That your favorite game. You will write my favorite game. Okay, because it is the question is for you, so you will not write your, then it will indicate your examiner, then you will write my favorite game, and in your composition you have the answer of the questions. And one most important thing, you should not make the short composition in different paras. You will write in a single para. Okay, in a single para, don't make another para, then it will be cut. Okay, it will be wrong. So you have to write the composition in a single para with the name at the top of the composition. And one most important thing, in your question it will be written at least 5 sentences. So your composition must have 5 sentences. You can also write more than 5 sentences, no problem. But you have to you have to give the information, okay, according to the question. Then you will easily get the full mark. So students, you have to answer this scene part, this question, 4 question according to the scene part nicely. And if you want to get the full mark, you have to follow all the instruction. So students, Allah Hafiz, and prepare yourself